Big update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Samsung has begun rolling out a major firmware update, packed with exciting new camera features and enhancements. This update, based on One UI 6.1.1, brings several improvements from the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, including Sketch to Image. Turn your sketches into stunning art using AI. Available in Samsung Notes, Photo Editor, Air Command, and Smart Select. Portrait Studio. Create AI-generated illustrations from selfies. Enhanced Live Translate. Now works with third-party apps like WhatsApp and Google Meet. Translate text and images. Translate text and images on Samsung Internet for a seamless experience. Other new features include real-time voice translation, text conversion from voice recordings, special weather and time wallpapers, and more. The update, which is 2.8 GB and includes the September 2024 security patch, is rolling out first in South Korea. Check your Galaxy S24 settings to see if the update is available for you. Stay tuned for more updates on camera improvements as the rollout continues.